welcome back to our kitchen. My name's Aileen, and I'm 9 years old. This is my brother.
And I'm 7 years old.
We've been cooking since 2015.
Yay!
So, today we're going to be making steamed white rice quinoa, and it's healthy. But before we begin, these are the kitchen rules. Make sure you wash your hands very good, and you have adult supervision. Never turn on a stove without adult supervision. And also, the most important thing,
Full time!
full time. What? No, that's not it. Try that again. The most important rule is safety first. Now that's good. So now, let's get cooking some quinoa. Okay, guys, we're going to be cooking quinoa. There's two different types of it. There is the mixed one, the tricolor, has the black ones in it and the white ones.
And those white quinoa!
Yay! Okay, so let's show you the ingredients.
Okay, guys, so these are the ingredients. Oil, water, quinoa,
and salt. Himalayan pink salt. So now Ian's going to show you how to use the rice cooker.
Again. So you can press the button again. Wait, press that, open. Ooh, it smells like rice.
Okay. So now we're going to pour our ingredients first. Sweet.
Oil.
And but first, make sure you whisk it when you're done pulling it all in here.
Now I'm going to put what?
I only did one. You put two already. This is my second. Okay, he's getting the whisk. I'm gonna mix it up really good.
Yummy, okay.
Okay, yeah. So now we're gonna.
Okay, guys, so now we're gonna put it inside. So you're gonna carefully close it. Our mom plugged it in. So now all you're gonna do is press.
Turn it on.
Then you can press quinoa.
We're not making white rice.
And now we just wait for the rice cooker to be ready.
Beep. I beeped exactly what it did.
Okay.
So when you open it, make sure you open it from this side that way. I said that in the other video because you can burn your arm.
Yeah.
And
make sure an adult opens it first.
Yes,
Yeah.
to prevent
You can
burns,
burn.
right?
Yeah.
Safety.
First.
Okay, so we'll be back when it's done.
Yep.
So
we'll be
stay
back
tuned.
So what?
Be back
in a second.
Bye-bye. Okay, guys, we're back.
So our mom opened the rice cooker. And the rice cooker, parents, still do not put your face. You're gonna burn it. It's gonna get really red. So
Yeah.
our mom put it in the bowl, or quinoa. It looks really good.
So now the time of review.
It looks pretty good.
It's golden, which means it's really nice. So now we're gonna taste it.
This is amazing. This is the best thing I will taste it. So, bye. Make sure you give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Bye.